Hello everyone. Today my topic is factorization, and here we are going to learn factorization by middle term breaking. First question is x square plus 3x plus 2. Since we are doing a factorization by middle term breaking, so we will not write 3. Instead of 3, I will write a bracket, and rest all the terms we will write as it is. X square plus, instead of 3, I'll put a bracket, then x plus 2. Now whatever sign I have in the right hand side, I will put that sign inside the bracket. Now we will need two numbers, and a condition is when that two numbers multiply with each other, that must be equal to 2, extreme right side, and when they add with each others must be equal to 3. So the two numbers are 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So the two numbers are 2 and 1. Now let's simplify it. X square plus 2 into x is 2x, plus into plus is plus, 1 into x is x plus 2. Now we got 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Now from here we'll take common from these two terms. So in this term common is x, so when I take x common out, x plus 2 remain inside the bracket. Then we'll take common from these two terms. Since 1 is common in these two terms, so we'll write 1 and x plus 2 inside the bracket. Now if we check this line, here we will find x plus 2 and x plus 2 common, so we'll take x plus 2 common out and x plus 1 remain inside the bracket. This is your final answer. My next question is y square minus 7y plus 12, which is equals to, we'll write y square as it is, minus minus, instead of 7 I'll put a bracket, then y plus 12. Now since here we have a plus sign, so we'll write plus sign here. Now I need a two number when they multiply with each other is equals to 12, and when they add it up, that must be equal to 7. So the two numbers are 4 and 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. So the two numbers are 4 and 3. Let's simplify it, which is equals to y square minus 4 into y is 4y. Here sign multiplication is very important. This minus into this plus is equals to minus. Minus into plus is equals to minus. 3 into y is 3y plus 12. From here, from this two term, we'll take common. Common is y, so we'll write y here like this, and y minus 4 we'll write inside the bracket, and from here minus 3 is common, so y instead of this plus we'll write minus, because minus is common, so plus changes into minus, y minus 4. Now y minus 4 and y minus 4 is common here, so we'll take y minus 4 common out and y minus 3 remain inside the bracket. This is your final answer. Next question, 3x square plus 14x plus 8. Now here we will see, here in the first term also the coefficient of x square is 3, which is equals to, we'll write 3x square plus, instead of 14 I'll put a bracket, and here we have a plus sign, so we'll write plus 8. Now we need a two number when they multiply with each other, that must be equal to 24, not 8. Why? Because I have a 3 here. In this case, coefficient of x square is 3. So we'll multiply this two number. 3 into 8 is equals to 24. So now we need a two number when they multiply with each other is equals to 24, and when they added up is equals to 14. So the two numbers are 12 into 2. 12 into 2 is equals to 24. 12 plus 2 is equals to 14. So two numbers are 12 and 2. Now simplify it. 3x square plus 12 into x is 12x, plus into plus is plus, 2 into x is 2x plus 8. Now we'll take common from here and we can see that 3x is common, so I'll take 3x common out, and x plus 3 4s are 12 remain inside the bracket, and from here plus 2 is common, x plus 4 remain inside the bracket. Now from here x plus 4 is common, so I'll take x plus 4 common out, so I'll get 3x plus 2. This is your final answer. Be careful, when x square have any coefficient, we need to multiply that number and this number like this. 3 8s are 24. My next question is x into 12x plus 7 minus 10. First we'll simplify this. X into 12x is equals to 12x square plus 7 into x is 7x minus 10, which is equal to 12x square plus, instead of 7 I'll put a bracket, and here I have a minus sign, so I'll write minus inside the bracket, then I'll write x as it is, minus 10 as it is. Now we need two numbers when they multiply with each other, that is equals to 120. 12 into 10 is 120, and when they subtract with each other is equals to 7. So how we will find that two number? By factorization like this. It's a 2, 6 are 12, 0, 2, 3 it's a 6, 0, with the 2, 15 which are 30. So one number is 15, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and another number is 8. 15 into 8 is equals to 120. 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. So the two numbers are 15 into 8, 120. 15 minus 8 is equals to 7. So the two numbers are 15 minus 8. Now 12x square plus 15 into x is 15x, plus into minus is minus, 8 into x is 8x minus 10. Now we'll take common from here and common from here. So here common is 3x, so when I take 3x common out, 4x plus 5 remain inside the bracket. 3 4s are 12, x into x is x square, plus 3 5s are 15, x into 1 is x, and here minus 2 is common. So we know that whenever minus is common, sign will change. So here minus 2 is common, so 4x plus 5 remain inside the bracket. 2 4s are 8, x, this minus changes into plus, 2 5s are 10. Now here 4x plus 5 is common, so when I take 4x plus 5 common out, 3x minus 2 remain inside the bracket. This is your final answer. Next question, a plus b whole square minus 11 a plus b minus 42. In this type of question, we assume that a plus b is equals to x. Now here a plus b is replaced by x. So instead of a plus b, I'll write x square minus 11a plus b. I will write 11x minus 42. Now x square I'll write as it is, minus minus. Instead of 11, I'll put a bracket, and here I have a negative sign, so I'll write minus here. X I will write as it is, minus 42. Now I need a two number when they multiply with each other is equals to 42, and when they subtract with each other is equals to 11. So 42. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, with the 3 7s are 21. So here 2 and 7, 2 into 7 is 14, 14 into 3 is equals to 42. So 14 into 3 is equals to 42. 14 minus 3 is 11. So when they multiply with each other is equals to 42, and when they subtract from each other is equals to 11. So the two numbers are 14 and 3. X square minus 14 into x is 14x. I told you sign multiplication is very important. So minus into minus is plus, 3x minus 42. So my dear student, be careful with a sign multiplication, especially when it is a negative sign. So now we'll take common from this two term, and we'll take common from this two term. In this case common is x, so I'll write x minus 14, and here plus 3 is common, so when I take plus 3 common out, x minus 14 remain inside the bracket. Now x minus 14 and x minus 14 is common, so when I take x minus 14 common out, it will be x plus 3 will remain inside the bracket. Now we know that the value of x is equals to a plus b. So now instead of this x, I'll write a plus b minus 14 into, instead of this x, I'll write a plus b plus 3. So final answer is a plus b minus 14, a plus b plus 3. So this is your final answer.